In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate elapsed time and totals in Google Sheets. First, open Google Sheets and enter your start and end times in separate cells. For example, you might place the start time in A2 and the end time in B2. Type times using the HHMMSS structure, such as 09:15:02 and 17:45:30. Consistency matters here, so include leading zeros where needed, and make sure each time has hours, minutes, and seconds. Next, make sure those entries are actually recognized as times. Highlight the cells with your times, then apply the correct format so Sheets interprets them properly. You can use the time format, which shows HHMM.SS. If you prefer 24-hour time with seconds, confirm it displays exactly as you typed. This avoids issues where Sheets might treat a value as plain text instead of a time. Now calculate the elapsed time by subtracting the start time from the end time. In a new cell, enter a formula like equals B2A2. If you see a decimal or a confusing value, it usually just means the cell isn't formatted as a time or duration yet. Format this result as a duration so it reads cleanly as hours, minutes, and seconds. A clear format is essential to make the output readable at a glance. If you'd like to control the appearance precisely, use the text function to display the result in a specific format. For example, text B2A2 HHMMSS will show the elapsed time exactly as hours, minutes, and seconds. Remember, text returns a text value, which is perfect for display but not for calculations. If you plan to add or average these results later, keep a numeric version of the calculation in a separate cell and format it, rather than converting it to text. When you need totals, sum multiple time values with the sum function. For instance, if your elapsed times are in C2 through C10, use each sum C2, C10. To make totals clear, especially when they exceed 24 hours, apply a custom format. Choose a format like HHMSS, which allows the hours to keep counting up instead of wrapping back to 0 after 24. This makes weekly or monthly totals accurate and easy to read. Finally, fine-tune formatting as needed so the hours, minutes, and seconds are always shown clearly. Consistent formatting across your inputs, results, and totals keeps your sheet professional and avoids confusion. That's it. With proper time entry, formatting, subtraction, optional text display, sum for totals, and a clear custom format, you'll have reliable, readable time calculations in Google Sheets.